Want premium Alight Motion XML files for free? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll give you high-quality XML, presets that you can import in seconds, to create amazing edits with almost no effort. Just check the description or download link below. Import the XML into Alight Motion and start editing. If you enjoy free XML files like these, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment which XML pack you want next. Let's get started.